But let's learn how to fix white screen on Snapchat. So what happens actually when you search, or rather when you go on Snapchat, and then it shows a white screen on you. So basically, the Snapchat application itself is actually bugging on you. And what could you do, or what you could actually do in order to fix that? Well, what you could do is a bunch of things. We'll make sure that you have an internet connection established over here. So actually, if you have an internet connection already established, and of course, if that is done, and you actually have an internet connection, you could actually turn that off and maybe try your cellular data program itself by clicking on a remote remove app and click on delete app itself. And once that still persists, or the problems still persist after that, what you could do is to actually reinstall the application and, of course, use the application again as a fresh new one. A fresh new download with all the needed resources of the application so that it would work properly. Thank you for watching this video. Again, this has been How to Web, and I'll see you in the next one.